Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade candy. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, and a few drops of yellow food coloring. Next, prepare your workspace by laying out silicone molds and having a candy thermometer ready. Make sure all your equipment is clean and dry before you begin. Now let's create the candy base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the 2 cups of sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Place the pan over medium heat and stir continuously until all the sugar has completely dissolved. This prevents crystallization. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let the mixture boil until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. Once your syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully remove it from the heat. Immediately stir in the 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice and a few drops of yellow food coloring until well combined. Work quickly, as the syrup will begin to set. Pour the hot, flavored syrup into your prepared silicone molds, filling each cavity evenly. Finally, let your lemonade candies cool completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, or until they are firm to the touch. Once fully hardened, gently pop them out of their silicone molds. You now have delicious homemade lemonade candy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.